Hello lovely people, now it's 11th February 2022, 11:30 p.m. at night. I'm working on this 2015 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro Logicboard, which came in dead and there was no charger light. Upon inspection I have noticed PP was G3H, which should be 12.6, it is 12.3. So when it's 12.3, that means typically this chip here, this is the SMC, System Management Controller, which usually is not working. In spite of its enable signal, that particular chip is not working. So I am just done with replacing this. So this is the chip which I have took out from this board, and this is the chip which I have replaced it from a donor. So now there was no MagSafe light coming and there was zero power draw earlier. So now it's replaced. So now let's see whether we are getting a light and we're getting 500 milliamps or not. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, we're getting an orange light, green light, and the power draw is 600, 700 milliamps, 900. Oh yes, this board is fixed. So fan is spinning, board is on, MacBook fixed. So let's put this MacBook back in the casing and I'll be back. So this is the chip which died in that MacBook. This is called the SMC. Like how people say do the SMC reset and all, right? So this is the chip which resets itself when you do the SMC reset with the keyboard combination. This chip has about 96 solder balls below it. So we need to redo those 96 solder balls completely in a proper fashion and put it back on the chip. It is a highly professional job, usually done by very big electronics companies. But somehow I have learned a bit of what international people do. I'm able to do it right now. I'll show this chip under the microscope. How does it look now? How this chip looks normally to the naked eye, and how does it look under a microscope. So these are 0.2 mm solder balls, which are about 96 in number. So we need to rework all these 96 balls, 0.3 mm thickness of solder balls, and put it back on the chip and put it back on the logic board. So finally we are done with assembling the MacBook. The complete assembly is done, even we have connected the battery. So let's open and connect the power supply and see how many amps is it taking. And is the MacBook turning on or not? So here is the MagSafe connector. 1, 2, 3. We have a light, green light, orange light, 600 milliamps. Should probably turn on now. The battery has run out of charge. I don't know since how long it was shut down. I've connected the charger again. We have the Apple logo. It's loading. Let's cover the client's name. So MacBook is fixed. It's a win for today. Oh, as you can see, the battery is completely drained. It doesn't have any charge. So it's a win. MacBook fixed. 1 down. 3 more to go. MacBook fixed. Thanks for watching.